welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be reviewing the Moxielash Flashy Lashes. That's very hard to say, but Moxielash Flashy Lashes. Oh my god, try to say that 3 times in a row very quickly. So to start off this video, I was sent these lashes. I'm not gonna lie and say I made the purchase all on my own because I didn't. I had seen them before, but I never had decided to order them. I wanted to do a video on them, but I just never got around to it, and then they actually ended up sending them to me. So today we're gonna be talking about these lashes. So like I said, I got the Flashy Lashes. These are supposed to be your more dramatic-ish pair, so like medium to full-on drama lashes. To me, they're very, very wispy, so to me, I would consider them more of your natural lash, but they are kind of long. So these are your Flashy Lashes. I'll go ahead and open it up for you guys. Alright, so these are the lashes you would get if you were to order these. They do come with the 5 magnets right in here. But I did cut mine so that they fit my eyelid. Now it has 4 magnets. You definitely can cut them if you need to customize the length of them or the width of them. These would cost you $30. If you were to use the link in my description bar, and then my code LNG2, you can get 10% off if you were to purchase them for yourself to try them out. I think that they're really cool, they're really convenient. So you just put your eyeliner on and then stick your lashes on as soon as the liner dries. To me, it's super convenient and it's knocking out 2 birds with 1 stone. Now I will say that at times it felt like the liner or something got really hard, so it hardened, and so it just kind of irritated my eyes a little. But I do continue wearing them because they are so convenient and it's not anything that I can't handle. Last week I wore them for almost a week straight. Just to really test it, see how they work, and test their durability. And yeah, so like I said, the Flashy Lashes would be $30. They're considered the OG collection, so the original collection. They're premium mink. These eyelashes would be recommended for almond or deep set eyes. Like I said, they do come with 5 magnets on them, and then you can customize it by cutting it to the width of your eye. Are considered mid-level drama. Like I said, they consider it to be like a medium as far as how dramatic they are. To me, they're very natural. I'd probably go up to some of their other ones that they have. They are 9 to 17 millimeters long as far as the eyelash length. And then the width of the whole strip is 33 millimeters wide. The lashes are black. You have to use it with your liquid liner. This is the mini liquid liner. This would cost you $30, so I would recommend just getting the full size one for $45. If you don't want to get the liquid liner, you're more of a gel gal, then you could get the gel liner for $32. If you get the gel liner and the brush, it's $42. You also do get, if you order some kind of set or a kit, you'll get these. These are your eyeliner remover swabs, and they're $8. They contain olive oil. So they have olive oil on them, and there's no alcohol or anything on this. So this helps to get rid of the eyeliner. So a question that I always see on their page is people asking about the safety of it, and then I saw someone respond as safe as glue, you know? I mean, at the end of the day, no matter what we use, whether it's glue or magnet, you go with whichever, you pick your poison. Even glue, sometimes I've had sensitivity to the glue, so I mean, either way, you just pick whichever one's more convenient. And I mean, yeah.
A frequently asked question is, what are the ingredients and is it safe for me? So I'm just going to read you guys from the website. Moxielash has over 100,000 customers with one of the lowest return rates in the industry. The Moxielash magnetic eyeliner contains iron oxide, which is rated safe by the EWG. There are absolutely no heavy metals or parabens in our formula. Iron particles typically don't cause problems even for people with sensitive skin. If you have eye problems / surgery, please consult your doctor. There are no known side effects with our magnetic liner.
like I said, you get this Moxielash mini liner in the set that I got. And so I'm just going to show you how this works. So you would apply it on your eye, do your little wing, whatever you want to do. That's not a wing, I don't know what I'm doing. There we go. We'll just pretend this is an eye. I'm just going to go ahead and put this tip out there right now. You need to make sure that the eyeliner dries completely. So something I did was I did my eyeshadow, I did my liner, and then I went ahead and did like my brows, lipstick, bronzer, anything like that. And then I did my application of the eyelashes at the very end. That way it gave my eyeliner time to completely dry, because the first time I tried to put these lashes on, I didn't let it dry all the way, and so I had to keep on like placing the lash like over it, and every time I would pick it up, it would pull the product off, the magnet off. So I realized that it needs to dry 100%. So whenever I was trying them, I made sure that the liner dried completely before putting the lashes on, and they worked so much better. So much ease, so convenient, it was amazing. The case that it comes in is also magnetic, so if you took this out, alright, and then you took the lash off, you can see that it actually sticks back on because it has those magnets there. So that's really convenient because you don't have to worry about your lashes flying around everywhere. You don't have to worry about the glue. That's the nicest thing about these. You don't have to worry about glue getting everywhere, the lash sticking to itself because of all the glue that's been on it. So it says that you can wear each lash style up to 30 times. The reason I stopped wearing eyelashes is I just ran out of time. And so then it became normal for me to not put on lashes, and then now just thinking about putting on lashes, I'm like, ugh, and then I have to deal with the glue drying. You have to deal with the glue over drying or not dry enough, and then it gets messy. And I mean, really, at the end of the day, if you practice, you're gonna be so good. It's gonna be so easy. But I had stopped for a while, so now I feel like I'm out of practice, and like putting lashes on other people is fine. I just haven't put lashes with glue on me in a really long time. So this was super convenient for someone who's barely getting back into it, or especially for somebody who's like barely starting to wear lashes. Like this is their first time wearing lashes. This is super duper easy to get used to. We're gonna go ahead, take the lash, and we are just going to place it right in here. And it's just gonna stick on there like that. Look at that, isn't that funny? So cool. Another thing to note, we've all gotten used to being able to get our lashes with the glue right up to our lash line with no problem. No seeing a lash band, especially since they're making these like no band eyelashes. You've gotten so used to not seeing a band that I feel like with these ones, you're definitely gonna see a band, I believe. At least in my experience, I did. Now the good thing is I wear my eyeliner thick enough to where it kind of just blends in. You really can't tell, especially if you're wearing a really thick lash. But because this has to lay flat to stick to the eyeliner, you are going to have to kind of deal with seeing a little bit of a band. Hopefully that is something they'll be able to improve on in the future. Maybe making a thinner band or maybe a clear band. I don't know, just something so that you can't see the thick band. The only thing that I'm not a fan of about the lashes is just how you will be able to see that band along your liner. Or if they could, maybe put the magnets along the edge of it so that then it's just like that and not laying completely flat on it, you know? But this on your lashes, it doesn't feel very like safe, and then the corners tend to pop out because I did try it like this too, but the corners kept on popping out on me. So let's go ahead and see how smoothly the swab takes off the liner. Splits into two for each eye. All right, so we'll take off the lash and we'll put it back in our cute case right here, just let it snap back in place. And now we have our swab. Let's see how easily it is to take it off. It's definitely going to be smearing probably all over your eye. But it did come off pretty nicely, and then all you have to do is wipe it on a towel. You can definitely feel the olive oil on your hand for sure. It really wasn't that big of a mess, so. Anyway, that is it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of, give you guys my review on the lashes. They're definitely different, but I definitely enjoyed them. So I had a great experience wearing mine. I'm planning on purchasing a few more lashes. I want to get some fuller lashes. Just because these are very, very wispy. So I do want to get a little bit more full lashes. That is the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Comment down below what videos you would like to see in the future. Follow me on Instagram at Lisa Nicole Gomez. Thank you for watching. God bless.